Why we do demos? 80% to 90% of the population do not wash their fruits and vegetables. They believe and are being consistently told that washing with water is good enough. If they have tried another wash, they have most likely tasted a bitter taste or tasted a different chemical taste. The comment most often heard is, "Why should I put more chemicals on my produce?" Our demos given people the awareness that my wash is truly different, i.e., the produce always tastes better because it is cleaner. Additional context. Someone eats a grape and says, "Wow, these grapes are really good." Your comment? That's because they are really clean. I am demonstrating a new fruit and vegetable wash. It is a no-residue wash solution. When you try these grapes, you will not taste any of the washing solution. No chemical aftertaste is my guarantee. It's concentrated, taking a teaspoon per gallon. Soak for 3 to 4 minutes minimum. Rinse, and you're done. This is the only product on the market today that can claim no wash residue and substantiate it. Most produce wash companies will not do demos. What does that tell you? I stand in front of my customers so they can taste a tangible difference. No other product can do that. 16-ounce bottle makes 96 gallons of wash solution. Earth's natural cost comparison. At $8.99, $9.99, it is the best value on the market today, both from a price and performance basis, even when compared against vinegar. Assuming a bottle of my wash solution costs $9.60 and makes 96 gallons, then each gallon costs 10 cents. Vinegar cost comparison. Standard is 1 part vinegar with 3 parts water. Thus, 1 gallon of vinegar will make 4 gallons of cleaning solution. If you pay $1 for a gallon of vinegar, then each gallon of wash solution will cost 25 cents. On the performance side, the closest competitor would be apple cider vinegar. However, it has its drawbacks. It doesn't work very well on the waxes on apples, beans, cucumbers, etc. And it doesn't cut the oil base that is the carrier for the pesticides. And it is frequently noted that it leaves a fragrance and/or taste. Earth's Natural was modeled after apple cider vinegar, but without the above limitations. Gene Wood is local business owner out of St. Paul, Minnesota, and he is a chemical engineer. Product is produced in Minnesota. Gene has food safety, nutritionists, dietitians, medical, and naturopathic doctors as technical advisors. My product removes anti-microbial wash solutions, pesticides from all produce. Removes pesticides and biofilm, air contaminants that rain washed onto produce, and dirt. Exposes, enhances the true flavor of the fruit or vegetable.